Let's take a few minutes to explore some of the common PowerPoint media issues and the associated fixes. The best way to avoid hiccups in PowerPoint is to follow the Microsoft recommendations for audio and video. The video recommendations for PowerPoint 2013 and 2016 are to use an MP4 encoded with H.264 video, which is an MPEG for AVC and ACC audio. If you happen to be using an older version of PowerPoint, such as PowerPoint 2010, Microsoft recommends using the Windows Media Video Format, or WMV. If you're still having hiccups, you'll need to ensure that you're using a supported video format. PowerPoint will support Windows video files, both using the extension ASF and AVI, but please note that additional codecs may be required. PowerPoint will also support MP4 video files, movie files, Adobe Flash Media, and the Windows Media Video file as well. Another common issue experienced by PowerPoint users relates to the hardware. To improve your PowerPoint experience, you may need to install more memory or even a different graphics card. If this isn't an option, try to update the video card drivers and, if possible, turn on hardware acceleration. And finally, you'll want to check for free disk space. This becomes really important if your PowerPoint presentation has a lot of graphics or video in it. And one of the easiest ways to free up disk space is to clean out the temp folder. Now, let's take a look at how to optimize pictures and video in a PowerPoint presentation. This presentation contains both video and images, and we're going to compress both, starting off with video. To do so, select File, click Info, and then Compress Media. Select the compression that you would like for this video. Now keep in mind that when you compress video, the quality may be affected, as well as embedded subtitles and alternate audio tracks will also be removed. I'm going to select one, but I will get an error, and that is because I do not have an audio device attached to the system. Just something to keep in mind. Now let's go ahead and compress the images. To do so, select a slide that has an image and then the image on the ribbon. Select Picture Format, and then Compress Pictures, and you have the option to apply to all the pictures or only this picture. I'm going to apply it to all the pictures. Then you can select your compression type. I'm going to select Web in this case. Select OK. And now your images will be compressed. For more helpful tips, tricks, and techniques to optimize your PowerPoint experience, please refer to the PowerPoint Support Center or other videos within this library.